I'm all the only niggas still care about mixtape. Hey, all the only niggas still care about mixtapes. Bad little bitch wanna know how lips taste. She carry on.
Yo, what is up? Welcome back to, this non-growing channel. I don't even know why I'm making any more videos. This is just for personal use anyway. Anywho, it's been a couple updates. As far as my parts list go for the turbo build, I finally got some T-bolt clamps that actually fit around the tubes. What else did I get? I think I showed you guys that plug. The one I got from Home Depot didn't work. I just ordered another one, an NPT fitting, so now it's snug. I don't know why I just didn't do that in the first place. Couple clamps here and there, more T-bolt clamps, and I got this BOV flange for V-band blow-off style valve, and another package. Oh, I'm excited about this one. This was delivered on the 6th. It is currently the 12th, and I went to go pick up packages yesterday, and they didn't even give me this. So I had to email Brian from Fab9 Tuning, and he told me it was delivered on the 6th. So I had to call FedEx and see where they delivered it to, and they said it was to the office. So I went to the office and I had to give the old lady like this blank stare, like, where's my package? She was like, oh, I'm too fat, I can't move around. Bitch, you better go find my shit. Anyway, this is... Yep, it is my blow-off valve. I did get the Tile Q 50mm. Man, this thing is big. Yeah, I didn't go JDM because of the street cred, but this is just as great. So it'll just mount up like that. Magnet. So, yeah, it doesn't stick. Unless they sent me aluminum and then shit. But it probably would have cost me about the same to have this welded onto the Fly Miata pipe. It does come with a V-band adapter. So this goes in here. Oh man. So I'll pick this up this weekend maybe. I don't even know if I'll be filming this weekend. It's just a little update. I know I said I would just get turbo stuff, but I gotta get a winter car. So turbo stuff is gonna be put on hold. I mean, I'll still get parts here and there, but I won't get the manifold or exhaust or turbo or injectors. I don't know. I'm not gonna rule that one out. I'm not gonna get those until I get a winter car first. I do have one lined up. Hopefully I could come up with enough money to pick it up. Okay, I gotta go. I gotta go. I don't know. Everything is too much. Oh, maybe I should. I can't do this with one hand. Good job.
You tried to cut me.
No, I didn't try. It just happened. Okay. Let's see. What? It's not a dildo if you think that's what it is. I just what?
Incriminated yourself.
Huh? Damn. All brand new shit.
Lame.
Wow. Oh, let's go lock up my lugs, my wheels. Actually, the thing is, I don't think I'm gonna put these on because it is winter and I don't want to, get them all messed up and shit. You know what I mean? There's a bunch of guys right there spray painting some shit. I don't know, ricing out their Subaru. Ugh, so disgusting. I already have these on the car, but the reason why I bought these in particular is because it has locking lug nuts and the key, which I currently do not have on my car because these lugs were free. And so yeah, I don't know why anybody would give away work wheel lug nuts, but I fucking took them. But these ran me 150 bucks shipped from Rap Spec, same place I bought my wheels from. I guess I could have gone with a different brand, but you know, I already have work wheels, so I might as well get matching lug nuts. So now I can lock my wheels, and since you know winter is basically here, we don't get fall in Colorado, we just get winter, summer. I'm not gonna run the rest of the lugs. I'm only just gonna put on the locking lugs just for the winter, and then when spring summertime comes around, I'll put on the new ones. That way they don't get messed up during the winter if I drive this during the winter. And without further ado, actually, why am I jacking up the car again? I don't think I even need to do that. I'm just gonna take that off and put, okay, pointless. Yeah, let's take it off because I don't have no space up there. Wait, maybe I should open that first. Do I have a blade in here? There is a disclaimer on here, just in case you guys don't know. Don't use an impact. Use a manual torque wrench, and make sure there is a 60-degree conical taper seat, so it will not fit OEM wheels. Oh, also, I did wash the car for a specific reason. I did get window tint. We're gonna be tinting my car. Maybe I should open it and make sure that make sure there's no damages to the tint. There's no creases. Yeah, it'll be all right. I got them from Amazon for $10. Just enough for the 2 windows and the quarter windows. I can't tint the back because, you know, convertible top is plastic window. If I want to tint this, I might have to just use a spray. They are 35%, and I think that's more than enough because I really like my visibility, but at the same time I kind of don't want people looking at me looking at them because I'm a creeper like that. That's why I wear aviator shades. What do I need? I need to clean this out, put soapy water in here. And where is my, maybe in here? Ah, it's right here. Yeah. Well, last time when I had a Ranger, I tried to tint it. It came out okay. I liked it, but I wasn't satisfied with it. At the time, I did get a toolkit for the tint. It comes with a blade and various, what do you call these? Spudgers? I don't know. I don't know where the blade is. I think I threw it away because it was shit. So I bought my own blade.
I'm the only nigga still care about mixtape. Bad little bitch wanna know how licks taste. All I can hear is the third, ayy. All I can hear is the third, ayy. We don't know none of your words, ayy. We don't know none of your words, ayy. I like my women real talk, ayy.
Alright, and there you have it. Locking lug. Think I messed it up already? Yeah, that's okay. It's just the paint. So these old ones might be for sale. Who knows? I don't think anybody wants this. Damn, look at the difference. You know what this reminds me of? My tow hook. Yeah, my tow hook. How one's faded, one's brand new. I don't know. I'm not gonna show you guys the rest. It's just redundant. So you guys know how to take a wheel lug off. Except for my sister and the girlfriend and the cousin. They don't know anything. They probably still think there is blinker fluid. Alright, I'm gonna finish this up and then we can move on to the next thing. Ooh. Alright. I don't know if that was a bike or not. I did get some soapy water and used Dawn, and it should work. And I got me a Bud Light, you know, just to keep things interesting. Yeah, so there's really not much to it. The last time I did it, just wet the window, cut out the shape of it. But when I did it on the Ranger, I didn't have to film that. Now trying to film it and do it, it's gonna be a little difficult. I do have some rags, so I can clean up all the excess water and whatever. As far as the blade go, I'm gonna go ahead and switch it out. So first things first, let's go ahead and wet this. And if this doesn't work, I'm gonna be pissed.
Type that could really play ball, hey. You buy my hat at the park, eh? Think I might really play ball, eh? I got a link in my bio, my bitch shoot a salsa like Pico de Gallo. They gotta ask if they.
Oh man, that's a workout. I'm good. Are you good? Okay. Well, I guess that's it for today's video. I'm just kidding. Hold up.
Me, Cinco de Mayo. How could they call themselves bosses when they got so many balls?
All right, fine mist it is. Wet it. I'm gonna clean it. This is just to get the tint on and still so I could cut the shape out. Damn, this is gonna be difficult. From my understanding, you always want to go down. Do that like 2-3 more times just so I can get the surface clean. And done. All right, wipe it down. Cool. Now we grab the tint, we lay it on, and then we cut. I want to close the door, but there won't be any light, so I need a lamp. Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I guess I could kind of show you. What if I prop this camera up on something? I don't know. You guys could figure it out. If you don't understand, Omar, then I don't know. I'm gonna kill myself. Ooh. Yep. Okay, so this is as far as I got. Perfect size. I don't think I'll be able to get enough to cover the quarter, so I think I'll just, I don't know, wait till later. Good thing I don't have pillars. It'll make my job a lot harder. And hopefully that's dark enough. I don't know. Let me see. It looks the same. Man, actually it looks a little tinted. I'm gonna finish doing this a couple times so I can get the shape out, and then I'll cut it out. I don't know what else to tell you. I mean, this is only my second time tinting a window. General shape of the window, I think there's already creases in here, but I don't mind very much. You know, I am not a professional. So now we go to the inside and I bring this over. I hope I don't mess this up too much. I made a whoopsie. Yeah, so I was gonna peel this off and then found out that I had the adhesive backing sheet on the wrong side. Good thing I moved it over here. I gotta peel this apart and then apply. This thing turns out okay. I'll shoot for okay. I don't even know if you could tell the difference, man. Maybe it's different in the dark. Who knows?
All the niggas still care about mixtapes. Bad little bitch wanna know how lips taste. She carry on. I swear that I'm the only nigga still care about mixtapes. Bad little bitch wanna know how lips.
Alright, what do you guys think? Yeah, you can't tell the difference. But you can definitely tell the difference in here. It's definitely a lot darker. So that's pretty much the basics of how I do it. I'm gonna get rid of this and redo it, this time without having to worry about trying to film. Still gotta trim all these edges, but no, this is just trash now. Cause there is a crease right here. I don't know if you, yeah, well, it's right here. There's a crease right here, and that's just gonna bug me. Actually, you know what? I think I'll be able to get away with this. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the edges and see. I think I'm pretty much done with the beer and with one window. I wanted to finish this up before daylight is gone, but here's the window. Yeah, you can see the difference now in the two shades. Yeah, I'm gonna let this dry out. Then I gotta fine cut some more along the edges. It's still a flap. Yeah. Alright. Looks like I might have enough for the quarters, and let's see if I have enough for the rear. Nope. That's all I got left. So that means I cannot mess up on this. Oh, that's gonna be real close.
Bad little mama, she getting Obama. She sting like Obama, be hot as the sauna. She shine like a really got that from my mama. Can't see me, can't beat me, I'm blind like a plumber. That booty gon' roll and it's out of control. And these bitches gon' fuck off respecting that loyalty. How my bitches loving me and they spoil me. Rub me down with that lotion, they oil me. Drinking that this baby, I'm showing me. In that chopper, I see your perimeter. Change the culture.
Yeah, you have to see it in person to see how bad it is. Then again, I'm not a professional. I finished it while the sun's still out, and that's how it is. You can see big difference between the two, and I think it came out great. No massive air bubbles. There's a lot of imperfections, like my cuts, and then the edges, they're, I don't know, dirt, little dirt specks, little air bubbles that side, and then there's like a tear right here, and there's like a tear up here, but I don't know, you can't really tell. It does the job. That's all I need. But I think overall it came out great. I'm gonna, you know, let it settle for a couple days and see if I can get the rest of the air bubbles out. Most of the trouble that I had was like the fingers at the bottom. See, there goes some fingers right there. Yeah, I gotta fix that. Overall, I'm pretty satisfied. It does the job, like I said. Look how dark it is. But then when I do this, look at all that light. Yeah, that's bullshit. Actually, it is pretty dark. Damn. Alright. So I guess I'm satisfied. I just need to find a way to tint the back. Don't know how I'm gonna do that. That's it then. I'm done.
Cause my ring is a solo. Wait, 1 minute I told you. Yeah, I would like to know you. Yeah, you're looking like clovers. Yeah, clothes no good. Mama, I do it. New rest I pursue it. Just look at me, baby. I came from the soul. The love of the slime mall. I been fuck on the cats on these slime dogs. I got me serene like on Brick Ball, and I'm ballin' on you like on Chris Paul.
All the niggas still care.